Hey everyone, welcome to day 17. Today I'm going to be introducing you to a new platform that I was just introduced to last week by TechSmith called Camtasia AI. As you all should know by now, I love bringing to you new tools or even easy tools that you can use to create your videos, particularly those that require you not to have to show your face. So here's another tool to add to your arsenal. Like I said, it's called Camtasia AI. And what is Camtasia AI? It's the AI version of Camtasia that allows you to automatically create videos by using either still images or screenshots. So let me share my screen so that you can see what I'm talking about. You can just go on to Camtasia AI. It is a beta program right now. It's, as you can see here, they say TechSmith's Labs project. So this is brand spanking new. They want us to play with it so that we can sort of give feedback to them so that they can make this a really good and helpful tool for us. So as you can see, it says create videos from screenshots with AI instantly. Convert photos and screenshots into engaging videos without the hassle. AI transforms your images into professional content for any platform. So you can see that there are a number of ways that you can create content. I've played around right now with the AI training video maker. That's what I'm going to use for this tutorial. But they do have a AI Reels and TikTok product demo and animated images with AI. And then coming soon is their convert PowerPoint slides to video. I have tried this, couldn't quite figure out what it needed from me. It didn't seem to work, but I know that the AI training video maker does. So that's what we're going to be focused on today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag my screenshots. I'm going to be using screenshots. I chose to number the screenshots. I'm not sure if it's mandatory that you do that or if you just make sure that you upload it in the order that you want your video to play the screenshots. So I'm going to grab them from my other computer over here, and I'm just going to hover in here, copy and paste, and you will see that they will all come out. They appear, even though they're very tiny, I can kind of see what's on there. They appear to be coming in the order that they should be coming in. There are a total of 10. So as soon as it's finished, I'm just going to make sure that it's all 10 that have come up. And then we're going to go to the next screen so that you can see what else you need to do. So this to me is great if you already are capturing screenshots. This is great if you're walking somebody through a website. Could be your own. It could be for an onboarding video, and maybe you just don't feel like creating a recorded video with you talking, and you just want to grab the screenshots and then do something with it. This is an option for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so they're all there. So then all it requires you to do is to just describe your training or your demo video. So in this particular instance, it's actually yet again another feature on a new tool that I love using called Notebook LM. So I'm going to just say create a walk through video showcasing how to get started, and then create a video overview video using Notebook LM. So that's all that I'm going to say. Just basically that's what I want. So then we're going to click next. And while we're waiting, I do want to let you know, right now, I'm presuming because this is in labs or is in beta, there's no help icon that you can ask someone for help. But I think it's pretty self-explanatory, at least with the tutorial one. I have to go back and look at the other ones. Okay, so now what it then does is it creates a storyboard for you. 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the second time that I've tried this using these screenshots, and it always removes 2 of them. I'm not sure why. It may see it as duplicates. I'm not really sure. It's after 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's this one. It's that one. And this one. Oh, they're both the same. How did that get? I don't know why that is. Okay. All right. So the next cool thing that you can do is you can edit your focus area. That basically just means where do you want the emphasis of where the camera's eye is, so that when the video is playing, the person would be able to understand, oh, I need to make sure that I know what the starting page looks like, or where the URL, what's the URL that I'm putting in there. So I'm just going to click on edit focus, and you can see the focused area is that they basically, which is what I wanted. I want you to see what the homepage looks like when you're just getting started, and we can go here. If you want, I guess I can keep the URL in just so that we can show that that's the website. And then you update your scene, and it's now been updated. Then you go to the next one, and over here, we're going to either click on a new notebook, or actually in this instance, we're going to click on an existing notebook. So we can, that happens to be the notebook that I'm going to be using. And then here, I'm not noticing it being changed over there. So this was supposed to be what you were going to do next, which was I wanted to change or access the source. Okay, that one worked. I'm not sure why that, well, yeah, that worked. All right, so then here, we're going to see that, in fact, this might be too small of an area, but we'll see. Okay, so that's zoomed in. And then here is where we're going to put in the chat. And then here, you can click here, or you can click down here. This is where you can see that it's thinking. And then here is where it's the entire area above. Oh, let's get that much. And then this is where it's going to be copying and pasting, and it's fine if it's just focused on there. All right. So I've refocused in all of the areas that I wanted it to be focused on. And now that I'm finished, all I have to do is hit generate video, and then it's going to start to do that. Now, in this process, in addition to being able to capture all of the different areas of the screenshots that I wanted it to, it's actually generating a voiceover. And it's creating this voiceover simply by the direction that I gave it in the chat, and by seeing what's on each screenshot. That is it. It's going to do its own magic and create the script for you. So there's no need for you to create the script and then upload it along with the images for this one. So over here, you can see, again, all of the different shots now, or storyboards. Now, the only thing I'm going to go here to just see, you cannot add in after the fact. Like if, let's say, for example, oh, I forgot whatever screenshot. You can't then go and get the screenshot and then add it in here at any point after you've already started the activation process of rendering everything. So you just have to deal with it here. But if you want to do any revisions, you certainly can add in your revisions here. And here is the video. You can then export, but let's play it really quickly.
Welcome to Notebook Up. Let's begin by creating a new notebook to start your journey. Welcome to your dashboard, where all your notebooks are neatly organized. To start a new project, simply click the Create New Notebook button right here. Inside your notebook, you'll find 3 key panels: Sources on the left, Chat in the middle, and Studio on the right, each designed to help you organize and interact with your content seamlessly. Start by choosing the sources you'd like to include. Feel free to select multiple documents or recordings that are relevant to your project.
I've already seen where I want, is it inside the notebook? Yeah. So let's show the focus area. I want to, can I edit this focus area? Yes. So I do want to show the whole thing. So I'm going to update that. And I think here was another place where I wanted to, okay, because I don't think it showed the URL anyway. Let me just, selecting sources was fine. Entering the prompt. Okay. So I am going to, actually, I don't even need to. Let's just see if we generate, because it did the voiceover correctly, but my focus area was incorrect. So all I'm doing is technically matching it. So let's see if I still needed to give it directions. I'm doing this cold with you. So this is my first time having to do a regenerate. Is that a right terminology, a regenerate? And I think considering it works pretty quickly. So let's go back to the beginning. Let's see.
Welcome to Notebook Up. Let's get started by creating a new notebook to begin your exploration.
I want to be able
Welcome to your dashboard, where all your notebooks are neatly organized. To start a new project, simply click the Create New Notebook button right here. Within your notebook, you'll find 3 essential panels: Sources on the left, Chat in the center, and Studio on the right. Each panel is thoughtfully designed to help you organize, collaborate, and engage with your content effortlessly. Start by choosing the sources you'd like to include. Feel free to select multiple documents or recordings that are relevant to your project to build a comprehensive foundation. Type your prompt into the chat area to get started. For example, ask Notebook LM to generate video scripts based on your recordings. After you submit your prompt, Notebook LM takes a moment to process your request and generate the content. This brief pause ensures the best possible response is crafted for you. When you're happy with your script, just click the copy button here. This instantly saves your script to the clipboard, making it simple to paste it into any document or editor you prefer. To wrap up, paste your script into Google Docs or any preferred writing tool. This lets you easily edit and fine-tune your content, getting it ready for your video production.
I'm loving this. I think that this is amazing. The only recommendations I would offer to Camtasia, which I've already shared with them, is that I would want to have the ability to move the mouse in post, if you will. I would also want to have my brand colors, and I would want to be able to edit the text on the screen. And I would love to have alternative options for voiceover, eventually also being able to clone my own. if that's an option. So you just, when you're finished, you come over here to export, and you have an opportunity to download it as a Camtasia project that you would be able to open up in Camtasia. And then you can also export it as an MP4 and have that video ready to upload to wherever it is that you need to upload it. If you want to take it into a different editor, or if it's ready, in your opinion, as it is to share. You can use this again as an onboarding video. You can use it for a digital course or a community that you have, and you're giving instructions to your audience in terms of what they can do first, second, third, and so forth. And then again, if you need to do any editing that requires Camtasia capabilities, you want to definitely be able to export it as a zipped project and then open it up within Camtasia. But keep in mind, in order to do what I just did, you do not need to purchase Camtasia Desktop or the software in order to be able to create the video, because you can still create by just simply exporting the video when you're finished with it. So I want to hear if you are planning to use Camtasia AI. Play around with it, give your feedback to TechSmith so that they can improve on this product. I have been very, very impressed with what Camtasia has been doing lately. They also have a Camtasia Online feature or platform that I have done a previous video on that I really, really enjoy as well. And actually, while we're waiting for that, I think this is it. So this is their online. You don't have to sign in. If you have an account, you can obviously sign in. Otherwise, you can just immediately start recording. And all you would need to do is choose whether you just wanted to record your screen, just your camera, or both your screen and your camera. And you can record in increments of 5-minute scenes. You would just come up here and you would title your project. Once you are finished, you would then export it. And again, you have the ability to export it as a project to Camtasia. You can export it to their hosting site, screencast.com, or you can download it as a MP4. So let's come back here. It's available for download. And so you just come here and let's play it so that we can see.
Welcome to Notebook. Let's get started by creating a new notebook to begin your exploration.
You go.
Welcome to your dashboard, where all your notebooks are neatly organized. To start a new project, simply
like
click
that
the
mouse,
Create New Notebook
I would have wanted it
button
over
right
here.
Within your notebook, you'll find 3 essential.
So that's it. So I will see you tomorrow. Take care.